How to replace a Mercedes key fob battery. This is for a 2013 GL, but it's probably the same as many others. Two ways to tell your battery is low is, you'll see it on the dash of your car, or when you press the button, the little red light right there should be coming on. If it's not coming on, then it's time to replace your battery. There's a little lever on the back. Get your key out, push it in here, and that pops the cover off. You want to get the old battery out, just tip it out. Take your new, this is a CR2025. Pop in your new one. Your key back in. There you go, fully charged. And now you should see the little red light there.